you ever bought a cream from a pharmacy without a doctor's prescription for any itchy skin condition? Or have you applied one of those instant fairness creams available in the market and you do not have any idea what the ingredients in the cream are? You may be a victim of steroid abuse. So what are steroids? Steroids are a group of anti-inflammatory creams that are very effective in the treatment of several skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema. And often they are the most effective treatment available for these conditions, and when used under the supervision of a doctor, these are perfectly safe. So why should you be worried about using steroid creams? Because steroid creams, when used unsupervised for prolonged periods of time, can lead to really serious side effects like thinning of the skin, increased redness of the skin, increased visibility of blood vessels in the skin. It can cause excessive hair growth. It can cause acne-like lesions on your skin, stretch marks, and if you have taken it for an infective condition, it can temporarily reduce your itching, but it will cause an exacerbation of the infection, or it may cause the infection to persist further and make it really difficult to treat. And also people who use steroid creams for prolonged periods of time experience a kind of addiction to the cream and find it very difficult to stop the cream. And a lot of these side effects are permanent and difficult to treat. So how do you identify if the cream that you're using contains a steroid or not? Now, most of the steroid compounds end with SONE, like betamethasone, clobetasone or hydrocortisone, and some may end with SOL, like clobetasol, and very few of them may even end with LONE, like fluocinolone. For example, if you take Candid cream, it contains clotrimazole, which is an antifungal compound that we commonly prescribe for fungal infections. But when it comes to Candid B, it contains an additional compound that is beclomethasone, which is a steroid, and this should not be used for fungal infections. And as for the fairness creams, which have no ingredient list, you cannot do anything, so it's best to avoid them. So how can you prevent steroid abuse? First of all, never buy any creams from the pharmacy without a doctor's prescription and use them. They may do you more harm than good. Secondly, do not use any of the creams that claim instant fairness or instant lightening of the skin. They may contain, apart from steroids, many other harmful chemicals which may even cause skin cancers. If you have a genuine concern about pigmentation of your skin or whether your skin is dull, please consult your dermatologist. They can offer you at-home treatments as well as in-clinic treatments to improve the health of your skin. How to stop using steroid creams if you're already addicted? Now, if you have been using steroids for a long period of time, you will notice that every time you try to stop it, you have severe withdrawal symptoms like increased burning of the face, scaling, or redness of the face. But be very careful when you try to stop steroid creams. Do not reapply steroids when you experience these symptoms. Give your skin time to heal. Just use a thick moisturizer as well as a broad spectrum sunscreen, and your skin will eventually heal. If you're still experiencing severe symptoms, please consult your dermatologist and they can offer you better advice on how to stop the steroids.